Hey, it's tacgearguy. We're going to do a review on the Leatherman Squirt PS4 multi-tool. Closed, it's 2 1/4 inches and it weighs in at 1.9 ounces. It's all stainless except the scales are anodized aluminum. This one's blue. They have it in red and black as well. You open it up, you have the pliers, which these ones are like spring action. You have a needle nose plier, regular pliers, and a wire cutter. They're not the hard wire cutters, but I mean, they'll snip basic stuff, twist ties and smaller zip ties. And the rest of the tools are accessible from the outside. Over here we have a little screwdriver, which they're saying it's a flat, and you could also use it for a Phillips. You have a bigger flathead with a bottle opener. Then you have my favorite, the scissors. And these are, I mean, they're small, but they're definitely tough little scissors. On the other side, we have a file, double-sided, wood and a metal file. And then we have the blade. Blade's 1.6 inches long, and it's like a clip point. It's nice. I mean, it's definitely better than nothing. I've cut some boxes and some different basic things with it. And then lastly, you have a little attachment for your keychain, or you could put a lanyard on there. I've seen them on the internet. The cheapest I found was right around $25 shipped from Amazon. I found some other places a little cheaper, but you had to factor in shipping, and ended up being more like $28. I actually bought this one locally at a store where I live, and I paid $30, and I have no complaints. It was well worth the $30. I've bought a few as gifts, for family and stuff, and it's a great tool. And this is tacgearguy. Thanks for watching.